Check it out. It's 11:30. My hand is getting dirty, snatching up things that probably can't be worthy. Now this is a vision of a violent life, living by a gun, a totem of a knife. Now I'm slamming doors, 2, 4, 5, I'm pulling the keys. These are the tragic, valuable luxuries to me at the early dawn. Before you yawn, I've been there, swiped you, and then I'm gone. Now it's 6 o'clock, my heart tick-tocks. A black satin bag full of fat-ass rocks. My identity has to be exposed. Stealing from the spot that I've truly chose. I lose and abuse my choice to choose. Now I'm fixed and I'm falling deeper in the mix. There's no hope for me, see. My path's been chosen, I'm Johnny B.